G'day, this is Grant from Aircon Solutions, and this little video we're going to talk about the Gen 3 and a couple of issues that we have with it from time to time. So what we've got here is a Gen 3 touch panel, one of the early editions, and so we've got a warning here. It just says battery's low in this one. So from time to time, if this battery percentage gets lower than what we need, it will just flag up. Today we're just going to show you how we go about diagnosing whether or not we have a faulty wall sensor. And what we got here, we're just going through and just check the actual temperature. So 21.2 bar, so we got the next one, laundry, 37.9. To me, this one's actually got an issue because it's flagged higher than the others. So what we'll do is go and have a look at that wall sensor and see what's going on. So just in the laundry now, open up the wall sensor. So what you can see here, we'll take this battery out. I don't know if you can see it, but under here there's like a little watermark. This is where the battery's actually corroded and damaged the board, which is giving us a false reading on the wall sensor. So we just need to replace this wall sensor, be good as gold. So we've got the new wall sensor now. So we're just going to go about programming that up. On our YouTube channel, we actually have the video on how to do this. So please feel free to look at that up. We will put that link into the show notes below for this video. Thank you for watching. We invite you to follow us and also check out our online stores.